Today we talk about how can you find agenda on your school planner app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here or agenda here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you find agenda here in this list. So sorry, here can you select here times here. So in here can you control it here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.